We're here in Dothan, Alabama to talk about AmTape, our new masking tape. We've talked to Brad and he has gathered the sales team so we can tell them about professional and premium line. We're gonna tell them that our quality is very good and that they are better priced. And at the end, we have a very special surprise for them. We have 4 premium tapes, and these 2 are my favorite, not only because of the colors, but because of the way they feel. Super soft, very nice to the touch. So today we're here in Dothan, but next, maybe we're gonna be in Florida or maybe North Carolina, South Carolina. So now I wanna tell you about our professional line. We have here 3 of our tapes. We have the Marine Lamination, we have the Body Shop, and the Contractor. I'm gonna tell you 3 things about these tapes. First, clean removal, always. UV protection up to 30 days. And look at these colors. They're awesome.